Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio on your XIAOMI A Pro TV. To do that, you have to connect an external device to your TV because we cannot change the aspect ratio in the native system. You can also access one of these services like Netflix, Prime Video, or maybe even YouTube, and I think the rescaling might work in them. After that, press the gear button on your remote control and select the gear icon on your screen to open all settings. Then go to Display and Sound and select Screen. Here you'll find Aspect Ratio. You can change it by selecting a different value right here, so we can use 16, 1009, 1003, full screen, zoom, or automatic. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.